Today we will create a highlight text, we can say, with the help of range and reduce right, we can say. So this is what today we're gonna do. So today we are just doing HTML and just a JavaScript. So we will do in a JavaScript everything. Okay. So yep, let's take to code. Okay, so let's create some ℂ𝕚𝕚𝕝𝕝, right? So let's create some ℂ𝕚𝕚𝕝𝕝. So let me copy this and paste in the p tag. Okay, so I just added that, and so this is like a multiple multi-line, we can say. So we are going via multi-line, we can say. So for example, I just want to select a particular index to a last index, we can say. So we'll go with that index. Okay, so if you want to highlight a particular uh, const index, we can say, so we can do that. And if you want to do something like get selections, so you can do that also. So right now here in this video we will just choose the const index, we can say. So via like for example, I just want to select from here to here, we can say. So it will select like this, we can say, right? So we will do this. Okay, so let's create some class name here, and I just want to add some button in it. So like if I'm just clicking on that, so and that button name will be highlight. Okay, highlight button. And my button ID will be the normal BTN. Okay, and here we are not writing any CSS and all stuff. Here we just want only JavaScript, no CSS here. Okay, so let's go to JavaScript. Okay, so let's see, like we have a two index. So this is what we need here. So for example, I will just add the index name here. Okay, so document dot get element by ID. So first element I will go with ℂ𝕚𝕚. Okay, the first element will be the ℂ𝕚𝕚. Second will be a button. So I will go with the button. So I just copy and I just add it here. I just don't want to write again and again, we can say. So I just copy that. So here we have the ID, the both ID we are getting it. So for example, highlight, and highlight spelling is wrong. Okay, uh, and this the whole p tag, we can say. So I'm just getting the two IDs. Okay, from a document get element by ID. And second and third is I just want we will add some sort of range, we can say. So for example, if I just want to go from this segment to this segment, we can say. So right now we are just writing any random number. So after that, after creating the whole functions, we will update our index, we can see, the start and end, we can say, right? So for now I'm just adding some random number, we can say. So I will just have two types. So first is start. So start positions I will go with something like 28, and end will be, for example, I will just go with the end like 39. And I will the same start I will go with this and okay. So I will take that and I will put some and like 111 something we can say. Okay, so we will just add random in range we can say random range. So range here we have the two types of uh, here we have the range collections we can say, and in that range collections we will have the two types of value variable we can say, for example start and end. So from a which segment to which segment we want to go. Okay, so here we have the range collections. Okay, so right, let's go with the color, which color we want to implement here. So we will tell like we just want a yellow color. So okay, so our function is completed here. So this one function is completed here. I mean the variable what we want to initialize this. So this is like a default initialization we can say. And let's go with the function. Okay, like the function I will just go with the highlighter. Okay, highlighter functions, and in here highlighter functions, so here we need three argument we can say, like a start, then here we will have the three type of argument we can say, like one is a string, we can say, and the second is like a whole collection of range here, and last will be a color, what type of color you want to implement in that. So we will go with first like a string value, second will be the collection name we will go with, and third will be the color. So here three variables we have here, three arguments we have here, so we need to implement in the reduce right we can say. So I'll just put a return here and R capital. Okay, so this, I think it's a camel case, so it will be like a reduce, and in that we will go with the uh, ES6 functions we can see. So first is like this first is like a variable, and second is like a first is like an array, and second is like a index we can say. So I will put here some number, like I will go with some sort of dollar signs, and in that here we will have the slice options. Okay, so what exactly we want, like I have the whole range and I just want to cut out a particular first one we can say. So here we will go with the first, in first slice we can say, like a start of slice we can say. So in that slice function we'll go with the 0 comma x I. In the ix we will have a start here, right? So we will implement only a start here. Okay, so here, okay, so here we have one slice already ready, so we need to go with the second one. So first of all we will just implement our span tag here, like for example I will just update my span tag here, and in that span tag, if you want to update my color we can say, so I will go with that background color, like what background color I already implemented in that. So for example we have gave yellow color, right? So we will give this yellow color inside my inside this background value we can say, background color value we can say. So when whatever the my content we can say, like a string value we can say, so that will be highlighted we can say, or the background color it will be a yellow color we can say. And here in that in the span tag we need the content of all the start and end, we can say. So here we will have a same scenario, like for example here we have a s dot slice. Okay, and in that s dot slice we will go with the start first, and second will be a end here. So what we'll be doing here, for example, the start value. For example, if you have any ABC number, ABC value here, so this is the start, and the O is a end, we can say. So the start will be a C and O will be the end of my value. So in the span tag, it will be a C will be a start and O will be a end in that. So this is span tag is clear. um, and okay, after that we need a endpoint of that. So here we need the endpoint here, so we will go the similar way what we had done in first scenario. We gone for start, so here we will go with the end here. So like I will just add end here, and whatever the number is coming, for example whatever the string value is coming, so I will just update the string here. Okay, I think it should work because it's the return function will be closing up here, that's why we need that. And what error is coming up here? Okay, so this says that okay, now it's perfect. No, it's not. Okay, why it's not giving me the value? So let's see what mistake we had done here. So we have this function. Okay, then we have the span tag. So we have the span tag here. Then in that span tag we gave the variable color, and in that we gave two values, start and end, and after that we just close that value. Okay, so I think it should mm, 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 mm. So let's run this. So let's run this scenario, like we will go with the click button, right? So we will add listener. Okay, listener. Okay, so we need a event listener. For example, I just meant to say like we need a event listener here, and event listener is like a click, and and in that click we will have the function of prg. So prg is meant by L'Oreal lib. Okay, means like a whatever the content we have in that, and we will go with the html. Okay, and after that we will give this function here. So in that we will go with this pr, and we will send text content inside that, comma, the range collection, and the last is yellow. So here we have this functions. So let's see how it works. Okay, it doesn't work. So we sent, first of all, we just gone through this, and okay, and we have the HTML. I think my battery. Okay, let me plug my battery. I think the battery is like low battery. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit. Okay, I think it should run. Let's see. Let's see in the inspect what errors showing up here. There is no error. It is okay. So we have the first element here. We have get element ℂ𝕚𝕝𝕝, and so we just send this document ID button. That in that we are sending, and inside this we just send this function. Inside the HTML inner tag, okay, the listener spelling was wrong. Okay, the listener spelling was wrong, I think. Okay, now it should run. Let me clear this and do this. So so what exactly it means, like there is no click here basically. So we need like click functions, right? So let me check if I'm just doing some mistake or not. Okay, this is what it's showing us error again. We have closed this. We did close this and functions, and we are closing this function also. This is like something is missing argument list, we can say. So I think that is what it's not running. So let me do one thing. I'll just put a result. Okay, and in that I will save this, and I will just say like just put in my result here, and okay, and I will say this to it is ending out here. Then we have the class color name. Okay, there are a lot of issues we can see. So it says that the semicolons are missing out here. Then Mm, so I just understand why it was missing, like it was missing like tilde symbol, we can say, like a the italic single code, we can say. So that was missing in that. Yeah, like a, this is what we need here. We have that yellow, and what exactly we want, like a 28. So man's like it should be coming from here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so from here it will be starting up like a 28 one. So yep, so if I just click on highlight, so it's gave me a color of yellow. If you like if you want to change the color, so you can change this color. uh, okay, this is what like we achieved in this video, like this is getting like a range, highlighting range, we can say, like a particular index to end index. If you increase the end index, for example, if you decrease or increase the end index, like I just put it triple one, so I just go with the 50, we can say. So let's see how much it takes here. So okay, so this much it takes here, right? It's just like a 50, we can say. So if you update like from 0, so means from start to this one, it should be up highlighted, we can say. See if I just update, so yep, this is what. So if you change this true number, for example, I can say I just undo this like a triple one and 28. So if I just change my last, I mean the start of my second line, we can say. So if I just go with 100, okay, if I just update 100, so what exactly it means? So it will my first index will be like the first highlight, and my second highlight will go via here, like we can see. So let's see how it look like. Yeah, this is what. If you want to add more, like for example, if I just want more than two, we can say. So for example, if I just go with 120 and 128, just 8 index more. Let's see how much index it's coming up. Okay, let our target is like it should show 3 selected part, like a select highlighted part. So let's see. Yep, this is what, like a 3 highlighted part we got. If I just update, like from 0 to a 20, so means from 0 to here it will be like highlighted, then it will be highlighted again, and from 100 to triple one it will highlight again, then 120 to 128 highlighted again, we can say. So it will be like 4 highlighted, we can say. So yeah, so we have the 4 highlighted way, right? So for now we will go with the single highlight, like it's going via this to this much, like this. so we can update this like 39. And if you want to highlight like continuously, we can say like start to end, we can say. So my first index of end value will go to my second range of start, we can say. Means like the end value of my first range 39, so it should go to a the start range, we can say like 39. So it will select up continuously like all the selected one, right? Okay, so this is what we achieved. We achieved like selecting not the selecting, just highlighting the text, we can say, via range collections, we can say. So let me add my profile, and I will add some. For my profile I just need a CSS, so I will add that. Black color is coming up here, then black color and black color. Okay, so here we have achieved, here we achieve highlighting the multiple lines, we can say, like multiple lines, we can say. If you are on next index something, so it will be highlighted, we can say. So for example, I just do 100, like L'Oreal 100. Let's see how much. Okay, it's big. Okay, now let's go to something around 211. Okay, I'm just adding more 100 index, so it will start from here, and let's see how much plus 100 it goes. Like, okay, so this is what selecting the range. So this is what we got, like a multiple line, we can say, the selections. If you want a multiple more, we can say, so you know what to do, like just add more value in that. For example, if I just update 230 here, and I will go with something number call as 300. Okay, so we will have a two highlighted way, we can say. So like this, like this is a one, and this is the second way, we can say. Okay. Let's go with 300, and let's go with 450. Okay, yeah, so we have multiple of highlighted we have. So just this is like playing with the range numbers only, like start and end, we can say. And rest of things it will handle by reduce write functions, we can say. So it will, this is like good knowledge sharing, we can say. I just found something like this, like collections of range, so I just thought I just share to you how we can do this. Okay, so this is great. So yep, make sure you subscribe my channel if you are new. Okay, and just like, and if you have any doubts, and just put your thoughts in comments, and I will add this link in the descriptions. Okay, and you can find this whole this how you can put in your project, like any type of like Word document or something, so you can go with that also. In next video I will just show how we can upload a Word document, and how we can show in the HTML, so we will do some video about that also. um, okay, So let's meet on next video. Okay, bye bye.